If you're watching this, you fit into one of two categories. You're sick of losing money to the bookies and you want that to change, or you're serious about making money online. For a lot of you, it's both. And by the end of this video, you'll understand how our members use bookies promotions to consistently make money without gambling. And you'll know what platinum is and whether it's for you. Quick warning before we go any further. If you're here to chase big odds, monster multi-payouts, quick fixes, or you're not willing to put in any work, then this is not for you. Match betting is simple, but it's not do nothing and get rich. You have to be patient and follow instructions. So if you are patient, you're willing to learn a new skill, and you want a real shot at making serious money off this over the next 12 months, then you're in the right place. Keep watching. My name's JP. Back in 2014, I was a 22-year-old broke uni student. I had less than $5,000 to my name. I was punting like most young blokes were, and I was slowly bleeding money to the bookies. One day, I had a $100 bonus bet sitting in my Bet365 account. And by chance, I stumbled upon a way to turn that bonus into profit without relying on luck or riding the result feeling sick while watching the game. I tried it worked, and I thought I was a fucking genius. Over the next 6 months, I made about $20,000 from match betting, and then I kept doing it for a number of years and eventually made over $300,000. The money meant that I never had to work a real job that I hated or rely on anyone else financially, and it completely changed my life. After a few years of just printing money for myself with a couple of my mates, I realized that it would be good to share this with more people. Imagine more people could experience the life-changing amounts of money that I was able to make from match betting. So in 2020, I teamed up with Tom and Steve and we started the system. And yeah, we built it as a business. We like making money too. The way I saw it was, if I can help a heap of blokes make way more money than it costs to sign up, everyone wins. Since then, with the team, we've grown a community of more than 3,000 members who've combined to make well and truly more than $50 million of profit from matched betting. This number is growing every single day. But the money's only half of it. The more important bit is that thousands of guys have stopped blind gambling and completely changed the way they think about betting, money, and now as a result of that are living lives that they never thought were possible. So that's why we exist. To help Aussie blokes stop getting rinsed by the bookies and instead use this game to actually move their lives forward. So what is match betting and why does it work? Well, first you need to understand the game that you've been playing. Australians love a punt, the bookies know this, they're not stupid, and their entire business is built on one thing: you losing money over time. To get you in the door and keep you hooked, they use promos and clever marketing. Sign-up bonuses and deposit matches. Same game multi, any leg fails, bonus bet back. Horse run second or third, bonus bet back. Any other random special boost or promotion that you see every other weekend. You deposit, you get a bonus, you have a few early wins, and then for the next few years, you slowly dribble thousands down the drain back to them, trying to chase that feeling of winning the bigger and bigger payout. You win some, you lose more, and you quietly convince yourself that you were unlucky on the last leg, while the bookies quietly take a cut of every single bet that you place. Match betting is the reverse of that. Instead of letting the promos push us into dumb bets, we use the promos themselves as the edge. We set bets up in a way that if we follow the steps properly, the bookie takes the risk and we take the profit. Here is a simple example so that you don't think I'm talking out of my ass. I sign up to a bookie, I get a $100 bonus bet, I place the bonus over here on team A, on this bookie, I place my real cash on the opposite team over on this bookie, and as you can see, the payouts or the returns are the same, and no matter what happens, I am getting back more than I put in. No matter what happens in the game, the bonus bet has turned into a chunk of profit. The bonus wasn't my money, the cash was my money. When the dust settles, I've locked in a profit. I don't have to rely on luck, chance, or anything else. I know I'm going to make money. That's the bonus turnover method in its simplest form. It's the most fundamental concept of match betting. Now, if you never placed another dumb multi for the rest of your life and every single bonus that the bookies gave you, you turned into profit using that method, you would be ahead of 99.5% of Australian punters. You also could pause this video, try and reverse engineer what I just showed you and just wing it You would make some money, but then eventually you most likely will fuck it up. That's why in our free training and inside Platinum, we break this stuff down so that it's so much simpler. We give you the tools, the calculators and everything to make sure that you have a step-by-step process to actually go and do this yourself. Now, when most people see this method for the first time, they either ask one of two questions. Number one is, how do I get more bonuses? And number two is, what happens when the sign-up bonuses run out? Does this stop working? And that's where everyone quits. They grab a few bonuses, they go and make some money, and then they say, this is not worth it. What they don't realize is the sign-up bonuses are just the start. Remember all of those ongoing promotions I was showing you before? They keep you betting. The same game multis, the second thirds, the reload offers, the random specials that you see every single weekend. Our members use those as well with more advanced methods to keep making money long after the sign-up phase. Those methods are more complex. You can win or lose a single bet, but over a volume of bets with proper money management, tracking, and doing the same thing over and over, they tilt heavily in your favor. That's exactly what we teach and drill inside of Platinum, the serious community where guys aim to make around $1,000 per month on average and then build from there. I'll explain Platinum properly in a minute. For now, you just need to get two things. Number one, the Bookies promos are the edge. They literally give it to us. And number two is you can either let them take that edge from you like every other punter does and keep donating your money, or you can learn the system that turns it in your favor. So let me give you a quick roadmap on how this looks inside the system so that you know where Platinum sits. At the bottom, you've got all the free training, the free videos. This stuff is the absolute basics to prove to you that match betting is actually real. Step one above that is Platinum. This is our core program where you learn how to consistently make around $1,000 per month on average from match betting. You get the full foundational system, the step-by-step videos, the spreadsheets, the bookie list with all the bonuses, the community, the support. And this is what will get you to around $1,000 per month from match betting. Above Platinum, there are levels for members who want to push way harder. First, you've got the horse system. This is a horse promo service designed for those who don't want to go out there and find their own horse promotions or select the horses themselves. We send you the promotions, we send you the plays directly to your phone so that you can save time, save energy, and ultimately make more money with full certainty. Most members will join this right after joining Platinum because you get a free month as a Platinum member on the horse system. A level above that is the sport system. Same idea as horse, but for sport. Instead of spending hours and hours on your phone building your own plays, we will send you the plays directly to your phone so that you can follow the sport system, save time, print money, all in a few hours per week. And then we've got Accelerator, a level above the sports system for serious operators looking to make a lot more money from match betting and then prepare themselves for the top level. And then at the top, we've got mentorship, invite only for members in Accelerator who are looking to make life-changing amounts of money. This starts off with an onboarding day where members will get flown into our office before starting a journey with the rest of the group to print life-changing amounts of money. Platinum is the full system to make solid side income from match betting. You never need to go past this to make around $1,000 per month from match betting. If all you ever did was run the Platinum playbook, you would already be miles ahead of every other punter in the country. Some members who want more than $1,000 a month will plug into horse and sport, and the guys who want to turn this into a serious operation will push up into Accelerator and mentorship. You don't need to worry about the top levels just yet. The only thing that matters right now is step one, Platinum. That's where you build the skills, the bankroll, and the habits to make everything else possible after that. Some members move up this ladder in under 6 months and others take more than 12 months. But the pattern is the same. The longer they stay in the game, the more money they end up making. Today is just about deciding whether you're going to start that journey properly with Platinum. So you've heard our story and the overview. Let me quickly show you some members actually doing this.
Made $6,500 at that point.
Joining Platinum, just over 13 grand in just under 6 months.
System for about 7 months now and 14K profit.
36 after having my fourth child, been match betting for about 4 months pretty seriously and made about 15K.
23 from Sydney. In my first 9 months, I made $20,000.
And I'm Brant, I'm 36, made about 21K.
Around $26,000 profit through Platinum.
Typical bloke that loves watching sports, betting on sports, go to the pub, have a beer with your mates, kind of thing.
Carpenter from Sydney. I have one son, 2.5, and a partner.
Yeah, the cost was a big stop for me, and then I realised people were making more it's worth the buy-in.
I spend maybe 10 to 15 hours a week.
I said to my mate, I'm not coming here ever again. I'm just going to start match betting. And then literally have not gambled since.
I haven't made a life-changing amount of money, but it's more money than I've ever had. That real feeling of, freedom.
Yeah, you learn how to make money, but I think it does change other parts of your life as well.
If you're not going to donate to the bookies, you may as well make money off them.
These are normal Aussie guys. They're not math geniuses. They're not pro gamblers. They're just following the system and the promos in the way that we just talked about. If you want to go deep on proof, we've got more than 50 individual member interviews on our YouTube channel. For now, all you need to know is this is not theory. It is happening every single day inside of the Platinum community. You've heard me reference Platinum a few times already, so let me break it down simply. Platinum is where you go if you want to learn how to make around $1,000 per month on average from match betting in a structured way in under 10 hours per week. Inside Platinum, you get clear step-by-step videos that take you from the absolute basics to safely using more advanced promotions. The Platinum Bookie List, a detailed list of over 100 bookies, as well as all of the sign-up bonuses that our members use to make thousands. Updated as things change. There's all sorts of niche information on how each bookie behaves and what to watch out for. The Platinum Spreadsheet, the tracker we use to log every bet, see what's working, and then make decisions with the data instead of guessing. The Platinum Community Discord, over 3,000 members, live discussion, questions, answers, people sharing plays, wins, lessons, and anything else related to match betting. And then of course the tools, the calculators, and everything else so that you don't have to do any of the fancy math yourself. So what does your first 30 to 90 days look like once you join Platinum? In the first few days, you'll learn the basics properly and you'll get straight into making money, turning over your first few bonuses using the calculators, the bookie list, and the spreadsheet so that you can see it all in black and white. As you move through the grades, you're gonna use the Platinum bookie list to systematically work down to collect the sign-up bonuses and then start using the simple promotions. Once you've got that foundation, you'll then start using some of the more advanced promos. Same game multi promos, horse second thirds, and others in a controlled way. You'll learn how to read your own data on the Platinum spreadsheet so you know where to focus, which bookies are worth more of your time, and how to increase your unit size safely. At every step, the Discord chat is there for you to ask questions, see what others are doing, and ultimately stay up to date with everything that's going on in the game. The bookies will change things, and if you're out of the loop, you'll get caught behind really quickly. Most members will say that the community is the most valuable part. Having several hundred active members constantly comparing methods, posting wins, and sharing tweaks makes this 10 times easier and more profitable than trying to do everything on your own. Throughout the year, we also run live webinars and in-person events where members can connect, learn deeper concepts, and see that this isn't just some random Discord group. It's a real community. For a lot of blokes, this stuff is genuinely life-changing. An extra 10 to 30K a year, paying off debt, growing a house deposit, traveling around the globe, or having options outside their job. Platinum is a one-time investment of $1,997. That gets you access to all of the step-by-step video content, the tools, the bookie list, the calculators, the Platinum Discord community, live events, spreadsheet, the lot. If you follow the steps, use the methods properly, and track the bets the way that we show you, it becomes very hard to not get to around 1,000 per month. We back it with a guarantee. If you follow the steps as an active member and you don't make your Platinum fee back within 90 days, we will refund you. If you're lazy and plan on half-assing it, please do not join. It wastes our time and yours. But if you are serious about using this to change your situation, then this is for you. Now, if you're like most people watching this, there's probably a few things going through your head. First, this sounds complicated. I'm not a math nerd. With full respect to our members, you do not need to be a rocket scientist to print money from match betting. If you can follow simple instructions and use a calculator, you can do this. We've built everything for you. Videos, tools, calculators, the spreadsheets. So all you're doing is actually clicking buttons and following checklists. You don't have to go out there and invent new formulas. Second, do I have enough time? Most guys in the community have jobs, families, kids, and the overwhelming majority who are making anywhere from 10 to 30K a year out of this are doing it in less than 10 hours per week. Some members go harder. Some just follow systems like the horse and sport services in a few hours a week and still clear serious money. You don't have to live on your phone. Third, do I have enough money to start? Most people start with around $1,000 to $2,000. That's plenty to begin with. Some start with more and move faster through the levels of the system community, and others start with less and then build that up over time. What matters is you start with money that you've allocated purely to match betting, and then as you follow the process, you withdraw and recycle your profits, your match betting money will grow. Above all though, if you put in the work and you follow the instructions, this fucking works. You're not guessing, you're plugging into something that has been used, tested, and constantly updated by more than 3,000 members before you. And the longer you stay in this game, the more valuable your skills will be to not only yourself, but also to the community as well. And when hundreds and thousands of people are working together towards the same goal, you can do some pretty powerful shit. So here's a decision point. If you're at least an 8 out of 10 that you want to make match betting a real side income and you're willing to do the work, then click the link below and join Platinum now. Get inside the community and start your 90-day run to 1,000 a month. If you're not quite there yet, that's absolutely fine. Commit to the free training modules, watch the videos properly, place some bets yourself, and then decide. Either way, please don't do what most blokes do. They watch all of this, they nod along, and then they go back to punting the lights out, donating their hard-earned money. If you're serious, click the button below, join Platinum, and we'll see you inside.